You can now send out your e-card via your own email in a really nice, beautiful format. Let's look at how you can do this. Click on the Email tab, then choose from Gmail, Yahoo, or Outlook. In fact, this method supports all email clients that let you send rich text HTML emails. This will open up an email editor and create eCards. At first, you will see a preview of a templated email for your eCard. Let's take a look at some other templates. So click on the Template tab. There are various templates, and in fact, you can create your own templates too. Let's just use the invitation template. The template automatically includes details that you have added to your eCard. Scrolling down, you can also see that View Invite and RSVP is underlined. In fact, it is a text button link that your guests can click. If you want to edit the email, head on up to the Edit tab. The email editor lets you make changes to your email. You can use the formatting options. For example, here I've replaced the headline and made it larger. You can then save your changes as a new template and give your template a name. Sending is easy. Click Copy Email. This copies the full email to your clipboard. Next, click on your email provider, for example, Gmail. This opens up Gmail in another browser tab. Now paste your email into the Email Compose window. If your email does not paste, it is possible that you are using a browser that does not support copying the email. However, you should find it works in most browsers, and where possible, we recommend that you use the Chrome browser. You can now add your guests' email addresses directly. We recommend using BCC, Blind Carbon Copy, to protect your guests' privacy. BCC ensures that each recipient receives the email without revealing their email addresses to the other recipients. Of course, you should also add a subject line to your email, and then you are ready to hit send. Your guests will receive a really lovely formatted email of your invitation, which looks great on mobile and on desktop. If you have included a link to the address, that will be linked in your email, so guests can easily see the location by clicking on the address. Of course, they can access the invitation by clicking. You can also easily send your eCard via your Yahoo Mail and your Microsoft Outlook email on the web. You should also have no problems using the Apple Mail app, your Outlook app on desktop, and many more email clients.